Okay, this is a demonstration on how to use the PoodLL function for recording yourself in Moodle. Before you begin the recording assignment, it's a good idea to check your system preferences and make sure that your microphone is working correctly. On a Macintosh desktop, that means bringing up the system preferences for sound and choosing the tab for input. And in my case, I've attached a headset, which I'm using as the mic input. If I hadn't done that, then I would be using the internal microphone. So you want to make sure, if you've added a headset, to choose it. But in either case, you want to pay attention here to the input level. And you can see as I'm speaking, it's showing these darkened spots to indicate the volume level of my input. That's how it looked when I wasn't talking. So having it in the sort of upper half in the high level is a good range to be in. If you're not seeing anything being darkened, then that's an indication that your microphone is not enabled. If you're seeing the dark spots only come up in the low range here, then you probably want to adjust it so that you'll have better volume. Okay, if that's all working okay, you can go to your Moodle site and find the assignment and click on Add Submission. Now, depending upon what browser you're using, on what kind of computer, and what your settings are, and what you may have done in the past, you may or may not get prompted with a question of whether or not you will activate Adobe Flash. And it may look different on your browser than it looks on mine that you're looking at now. But Adobe Flash is required for PoodLL to work. So I'm going to say yes, activate Adobe Flash. And it asks me again up here, would I like to allow it and remember it for future times, or just allow it this one time? I'm going to say just this one time. So having enabled that, it takes a few seconds for the Flash object to render itself. So there it is, and it's showing me my video in real time. And now I'm going to click on the red circle button to record myself. And you can see the seconds ticking by here that show you it's recordings in show you the recordings in progress. So you say your bit, bonjour, ça va, and now I'm going to click the square button to stop recording. And it says uploading here, but it's not uploading all the way, so you're not finished yet. If you want to play back what you've recorded, you can do that and check to hear that it was recorded, and if you like it, and so on. And you can see the seconds ticking by here that show you. This is me playing it back, so I'm going to stop the playback. And if I didn't like that, I could re-record it. If it's okay, I'm going to save the changes. And my submission status now says it's submitted. It shows the video over here, and that's it.